Hi, this is Nirmal. So let's see in this video what are the important things watch out for next week and Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Okay, so as I told already, below 11,050 is good. It will touch 10,800. It's done. Okay, so again it's taking support around 10,750 zones on the Nifty. Okay, so 790 is a low. Okay, after it took the support, 11,072 is the high. Okay, previously 11,070 to 50 zone is resistance, sorry, support. Now it will act some resistance. The overall range for the coming week 10,800 to 11,200 to 250 zones. Okay, so buy and dips, go for long for the 11,200 zones. Okay, so until 10,750 zone is holds, it's no issue for the bulls. Okay, below this there's some sell possible. Okay, so the stop loss of 10,800, 850, go long for the 11,200 zone. Okay, this for the Nifty. So coming week, so RBI policy is important event. Expected to be neutral. Okay, and auto sales on October 1. October 2 is a holiday, Friday. Okay, so RBI policy and auto sales is the important things watch out for the coming week. Okay, so now let's see about the bank. Now let's see about the Bank Nifty. As I already told in last video, below the 21,000 level, go short or buy puts for 500 to 800 points target. Okay, the low was 28,404. Okay, almost 600 points done in the Bank Nifty. Those who follow my level, surely they got benefited. Okay, now watch. Okay, Bank Nifty is clearly underperforming. Okay, so don't buy any Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty shares. Okay, now watch. Okay, the previous supports of 21,000 to 21,100. Okay, now it's a resistance. Okay, now 21,000 to 21,100 is a resistance. Okay, ahead of RBI policy, some volatility is possible. So above 21,100 with a good volume closing only, further rally of 500 or 700 points is possible. Otherwise, the range will be at the low of 20,400 to 21,100. Okay, so don't buy now. Wait for the further breakout of 21,100 levels for the further upside. Okay, below 21,100, the range will be 20,400 to 500. Okay, so the previous previous support now attacks resistance. Okay, so let's see about how it will closing tomorrow and coming days. Okay, that's about the Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty is breaking 3 months supports, but ICICI Bank is not down much. Okay, the previous range I already told. Okay, 330 to 335 range is very much important. Okay, 340 low, 341, 395, 340, 360, 374, 354. Okay, 422. Again low made 333. Okay, 333 low. So this making good support for the ICICI Bank. Okay, so with a stop loss of 300, 330. Okay, the stop loss of 330, go long for the 358, 370 for the targets. Okay, once below, close below 330 means go short. Okay, so like this only. So the 3 month, okay, the formed lower 24.6. Okay, 24.6. The 335 zone is still making some support. So it's a 3 month support also. Okay, so with the stop loss of 330, go long for the further targets of 2 to 5% further upside on the ICICI Bank. Okay, so these are the things about next week. Okay, so truncated week, RBI policy, auto sales. So coming week, two IPOs is going to list and 3 IPO is going to open. Okay, so as I told already 2 weeks before, go and subscribe Root Mobile. Okay, and another one, Happy Minds. Okay, those who got allotment, it's a huge gain. Okay, we'll share about this week IPO, whether you have to subscribe or not in next video. Okay, so Nifty level is simple, 10,800 to 11,200. Bank Nifty above 21,100 only long. Okay, otherwise the range will be 20,400 to 21,100. Okay, subscribe my channel, follow my website for the further updates. Bye.